A guy in our group just turned 8 pounds into 120 pounds. That's like $10 into 150, all by using my concepts. And this video is a recording of a call between me and him of he explained me how he took the trade. So hope you enjoy. Like I might have a trade on you. I might have a sell, a sell, a sell, a sell, a sell. If you notice, daily. What the fuck? Okay, so if you notice, we're coming to this efficiency right here, like this block. All right, this little thing where it was down and went like this. All right, this whole block we're testing this out. You can consider it order block. You can consider it efficiency, whatever. And so here we took out liquidity. Here we took out liquidity, and here we took out this liquidity, which is a trap in a sense. All right, and so yesterday we broke it. Nothing much to say as price is just running. And here it's Asia. Not going to do anything in the EU when it's Asia. Sorry. And so now we're coming to the efficiency. And as soon as we come to the efficiency, we're giving out some reaction. As soon as we give out some reaction, people are looking to sell because like when price just shoots massively up, as soon there's like a first breaker structure, it's usually a trap. As soon as you see it, just like don't trust it. Even if we're in a good zone, like there's literally people that just wait for a breaker structure and then place themselves, which is not even a strategy, but they will do it. So just be aware of that. And so because this became a trap, and it's also the high of London. Okay, this fake breaker structure is also the high of London, which is a good liquidity for New York to take. This became a trap, right? So you can see how it took people out and it gave out a reaction for them as well. You can see eternal reaction right here. And so another trap was made here internally, but this whole thing is a trap. And because this was a trap, right now I'm expecting this to become a trap, is what I call the smart money trap cycle in a sense. Because smart money traders will try to take this as a short and fail. And then they'll think, oh, we're actually not bearish, we're actually bullish. So let me buy. But they were right all along. It's just that like price will take them both ways, right? Because this low didn't do much. It's not protected. Didn't take no liquidity. It's in the middle of nowhere, and it's gonna be a trap most likely. So right now, you can see by this impulse reaction that this just tells me it's a buy to sell. So with big strength, it just like a little insignificant, like big liquidation of people getting tagged out, and now we have enough fuel to go down. Perhaps price can also do something like this again, another sweep as one more trap, and then head down. Yeah, yeah, I can see it. I can see it. This is perfect example. You trade right here, right on this area, bro. Perfect, 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 bro. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Yeah, because like here you see Asia getting broken, and then you see some fake momentum to the downwards. This is Frankfurt, and then London Open comes in, takes out these people. So right now this is a trap, and then after takes out these people, it also gives the internal breaker structure, takes them out again, and then you have the correct move. It's beautiful. Where did you place yourself on limit on stop? Was it right here? Was it here? Nah, good entry, good entry, good entry. And then psh, the potential. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy. 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 10 hour. Yeah, this is the power, and you got like tight stop loss on gold as well. The only thing that I don't like is that I'm seeing a high right here that's just making equal highs with something. Yeah, this right here. This is the only thing I don't like. But mechanically and just looking at the day, it was good. It was a good trade. It was a good trade. You can also say this was a smart money trap. this to cut liquidity, and then this where you place yourself retested this. So yeah, and now taking out this. Let's see if it moves up, if it moves down. Look, this is the hourly, and there's even like you have this order block, and there's some imbalance, and, and this is what I was just saying, that the only thing I didn't like about your trade is that you have these two highs caught up together. That makes it like a relative equal hello, equal high. Sorry. And so now price is dropping. It can be like a shout for like support resistance traders to trade right here as soon as price comes back. But then if you see this get taken, possible short, or even better, like the red line, because I see that being a liquidity as well. And you also got to remember that like gold is a trending asset, so it's gonna be bullish at some point. And this could all be like a fake breaker structure, to the downside. And now people are expecting to sell on this block, and we probably gonna run them up at least do something like this, perhaps, or do something like this. Yeah, and it can also do this, break this, to then break this, just going from one liquidity to another. Yeah, exactly, exactly. You just gotta adapt and ask yourself where is the most amount of liquidity and where is price gonna be driven to go. Is it to the upside? Is it to the downside? And you gotta have like two liquidities. Let's say price is in one spot and you have major liquidity to the upside, major liquidity to the downside. You here inside this, you don't do nothing. You just wait for one to get taken, and once it gets taken, it has enough fuel to go to the other, to go search for the other. And once it goes to the other, you have enough fuel to go to the other. So you just patiently wait and know the price goes from one liquidity to another. It's the same on you, same chart. Broke this liquidity, come to this efficiency. And as soon as we do that, we break it in London with impulsement. Breaker structure, first breaker structure after this massive run up today, and price starts heading lower, giving you some bearish momentum. And now New York opens up, 2:30, good timing. If you get a kill zone, New York, you should see it. We just run up to take these highs, which just tell me like we liquidated a lot of people here with this impulse. So when you see bearish momentum, imagine smart money traders how they trade is just like they have a resistance, a support resistance. They see a run of liquidity, and they'll place themselves on the first breaker structure. So you just gotta wait for that breaker structure to be a fake one to get swept again. So you wait for a double sweep of the liquidity, and as soon as this sweep is super massive, like this one, like you see with the impulse candle or whatever, you see it with strength, you know that there's a high probability that this was a smart money trap. And because this was a trap, this will become a trap, and you can find an order inside of this internally and use this trap as a confluence to get price to at least to come here and get you to stops break even or probably even a TP. This is what I used to do with the scalps. Like you can get probably you maybe not right on the bias, but there's a huge chance that price just comes here because of the smart money trap cycle. And then if you're wrong, price will come back. But now you're already either TP or break even or something like that. I know, guys. Yesterday, I was waiting for the trade. Uh, I was waiting for a trade on either both EU and GU, and was it? Yeah. So here, I was looking to short, right? But I didn't like how the move was broken in lunch trap timing, which is a session I don't trade. You probably know that if you've seen the videos. Yeah. And then the candles just look like this. there was no smart money trap afterwards because the smart money trap became this whole thing. All right. But besides that, there was this smart money trap because this took out liquidity, gave you a fake breaker structure, and then ran it. But uh, because this wasn't the move I liked as well, some people actually, because I didn't saw a smart money trap here, I knew that we could have this getting taken and then this getting taken again because there was no smart money trap here. Yeah, good, 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 good. And so if I had traded here, you can see how I would still be able to get out break even because I would have seen this and put myself break even. Oh, okay, so you were smarter than them because you took it right on the spot, but them they'll wait for a breaker structure and they'll place a limit. But here the breaker structure is too visible, right? So if it's too visible, price will just take them out. And then already it was too late and price wanted to come to this liquidity. But I wouldn't, it's a bit of a risky zone. I would prefer it to at least be here. If it was here, good. Because then like you have this inducement, you have equal lows of Asia even. So super risky. But yeah, there was some students as well from the Discord. They actually took the trade right here. I think they took it on EU. And so just let me just see how price is doing. Okay. This is just for reference. I didn't take no trade there yet. Uh, on EU yesterday, same thing as GU. I was even thinking of this scalp right here, but price was too quick. Like it's the same. Like price, if you can see like this tiny little wick that took out these highs and then gave you some short momentum, took it out again, and then boom, smart money trap cycle, and then went all the way up back up because I knew this high would be liquidated soon, but the smart money trap cycle was super good here. Same thing as you did you with your gold trade. And what people did yesterday from the Discord was they saw this, right? They saw the zone I was looking to short at, but they they knew I was still waiting for a trap. At least the guy that told me he would trade this, he knew I was still waiting for a trap, but he knew that in order for me to look at the trap, there also got to be a trap, got to show a trap. So he knew this might not be the good movement for us to go super down, but at least I know I can get at least 3R to come to here. I don't know, maybe a trick like this. I know it was like 3R. So he wasn't expecting a big move, but he was basing his trade on this level right here that he knew he would get liquidated. And so they got him a win. And it's the same with you at GU. You had that level, so at least you managed to get out break even. That's that's a good thing to have in the strategy. And now price is going massively up, so I don't know if I'll trade this. So wait, you did like more than 10x. Fucking hell. So a 20x. So what on gold? I mean, it's powerful, right? It's powerful. All you had to do is like sit patiently and do not be tempted to take the trade because here you'll see your zone, right? You see price going to your zone, and then you see it going lower, and you say like, will price do a smart money trap here, or will it just leave me? Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's just normal. And also, yeah, and also like the smart money concepts, the smart money trap will not always appear. It's for me, at least for the strategy, you'll get a way better win rate and results if you do always wait for a smart money trap. But sometimes price has enough liquidity when it's in the zone and it can just move. And you also gotta let smart money traders win sometimes. You can't just let them keep losing, keep losing, keep losing. You gotta give them at least once in a while, like one times out of ten, some fish in order for them to still believe it works. As far as go, yeah. So you took the buys right here. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. What a killer. What a killer of a trade. 2916. Oh, so you already closed it then. It touched 17, so you already closed it. Fucking hell. No, I can see this is great, bro. Like took out this investment right here. You saw this imbalance, right? I don't know if you saw this key level as well. The impulse of the move, the sell to buy. They're also taking out equal lows right here. Then at the lower time frame, I don't know if there was a trap. There was. You can kind of say this is a double sweep, so maybe. But yeah, on gold, sometimes the smart man trap is more present on EU and GU. I say in gold, it just takes liquidity and then moves. But so yeah, here the candles closed good. He retested, double sweep to the liquidity. Yeah, you can say. Where did you took it? Did you took it like on this block? Did you took it as a retest right here, or did you took it like internally here? Okay, yeah, so here, yeah, internal. Great, great. I was just saying, bro, you smashing it. You smashing. You understanding everything? Like fucking hell. Because of watching my videos. Because of my videos. Yeah. Because like in the videos, I'm putting up the theory, where on the group we're doing like we're putting it to the test. Yeah. And I don't know if I've seen you sending charts, but you've been a part of the live trading calls, right? Because we spoke once, and because I knew. Oh, why? Is it because you feel like you don't know enough, or what is your experience? Like, how many years have you been trading? 4 to 5 years, bro. There's literally a guy with like a few than like with less than 1 year experience, like already killing it. But that's because like they also paid attention to the group. But like you have nothing to worry about. Like you have enough experience, and even if you're not experienced enough, and this is a message for everybody, like you can still send your charts. You just gotta not be influenced by the opinion of others, perhaps. But like nobody's gonna judge. Nobody's gonna say like you trade like shit. That's not gonna happen. Then anything can happen. But like people might give you, and I can also give you some feedback as well. Yeah, bro, you're fucking killing it. You're fucking killing it, bro. You share that shit of you selling gold and buying gold. You'll be like crowned as the king on gold trading, man. Bro, the people will be demanding a course. Fucking trading liquidity mastery right here. Buying and selling at the same time. Crazy, bro. Oh, like feels good to hear that. Feels good to hear that. Really, man. Appreciate you. So yeah, I think I'm about to jump off in case this motherfucker goes out again, and perhaps I'll have a trade as well because news is about to come in. Yeah, bro, it's been a massive pleasure talking to you and seeing that you've been killing it, watching the videos, bro. Super amazing. Like you're reaching the level of liquidity mastery, which is like doing the ping pong of what I was saying, like buying and then selling at like the same spot, you know? Yeah, trading like it's ping pong. Yeah. It was this like great week where like all the signs were aligned. Like I bet you everyone was trading that week. He called it shit, because it was literally like a range. It moved, but like it was inside of a big range. But like those to us, fucking beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Because those are the type of weeks you can make like 15%. But fucking hell, you just made I don't know how many R's you made. Like here you probably did 7, and here you probably did like 10, right? Bro, post it on the group. Post it on the group. They'll call you king. People that's using my concepts and like fucking smashing trade like this. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. I'm gonna be surpassed. Fucking hell.